Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Nicelight. They sent me this wig, y'all. I'll be installing it with y'all, showing y'all how I got this exact look. Very easy install. I did bleach the knots on this wig, y'all. It definitely was full. It definitely was giving. So if y'all are interested in seeing how I got this look using this wig featuring Nicelight, definitely keep watching. So y'all, this is how the wig came packaged up. It came in a bag. Nicelight hair, like your life. I believe that's what it says, y'all. Now, first of all, it did come with two little headbands, two cheetah print headbands. This is how the wig looks fresh out of the package, y'all. Literally nothing done to it. Now, as I mentioned, I did go in and bleach the knots. You do not have to bleach the knots if you do not want to, okay? You do not have to if you don't want to, as you can see. But I end up going through and doing it anyways because I've been trying to do like a different thing with my wigs. But y'all, I definitely love this wig. Definitely good quality. Like, look at it. It's definitely giving. Not only that, y'all, I did use the mousse throughout this install. I used mousse to set my hair after wetting it. I put mousse on my baby hairs, y'all. Mousse is literally my go-to when it comes to water wave, deep wave, any curly hair, y'all. Mousse, literally. This is the final look. I definitely love collabing with Nicelight, y'all. I definitely love this wig. It's definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. I love the baby hairs. I love everything about this wig, y'all. It does have a lot of parting space as well for it to be a 13x4. It's definitely giving. I definitely love it. Everything about this company will be in the description box as well as my discount code. You can use my discount code to get money off if you are interested in shopping with them. Y'all, I was definitely feeling myself. I tried to do like a different look, kind of like a pushover look, really no part, but kind of like a part look. As I mentioned, I definitely love this wig, y'all. Definitely go shop at Nicelight. Let them know that I did send you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're on the road to 100K, 50K on the way. Everything will be in the description box. Until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.